First, we have acute angles. Acute angles are angles that are less than 90 degrees. An example will include this red angle which measures 30 degrees. Next, we have right angles. Right angles are angles measuring.
What you were watching was episode 2 of the Groovy Geometry series, which you may have thought was dead because like the last video I posted in this series was a full year ago, but that's just because I was just doing some new content in my channel, like my travel videos and my individual math problems. But I am back and I am ready to continue this series on this video. So, the first 2 episodes of the Groovy Geometry series have drawn attention to the foundations of geometry, the purpose of geometry, basic types of shapes, angles, and some other topics. Now we are ready to talk about more significant and perhaps complicated topics. And in this episode, we are beginning with triangles. We will discuss what they are, the types of triangles, and some other essential facts about them. Before we begin, please make sure to subscribe to my channel with the notification bell on so you don't miss my latest videos. Some or most of my audience may know what a triangle is, but for anyone who does not know, a triangle is basically a polygon which has 3 sides and 3 angles, which have a sum of 180 degrees. Here are some examples of triangles in our daily life. Triangles can be classified based on how many equal sides they have. If a triangle has 3 equal sides, then it is an equilateral triangle. If it has 2 equal sides, it is an isosceles triangle. And if it has no equal sides, then it is a scalene triangle. Triangles can also be classified based on the sizes of their 3 angles. If all of their angles are acute, refer to episode 2 of this series to see what that means if you forgot that is. Then it is an acute triangle. If one of the angles is a right angle, again, you can refer to episode 2 if you forgot what that means. It is a right triangle. Finally, if one of the angles is obtuse, then it is an obtuse triangle. Another crucial thing you need to acknowledge is how to find the area of a triangle. It may be something super simple for a lot of you, but it is half multiplied by the base and then the height. Well, the height has to be a perpendicular line with the base, like this. For example, if we were to find the area of this right triangle, we quickly see that the base is 5 cm and the height is 6 cm, since the height is perpendicular to the base. Therefore, the area is 5 times 6 times 1/2, which equals 15 cm squared. Let us end this video with several additional facts. First of all, given 3 sides of a triangle, the longer side must always be shorter than the sum of the 2 other sides. For instance, if we were to have a triangle with sides 4 cm, 6 cm, and 11 cm, that would not be possible since the longest side, 11 cm, is not larger than the sum of the 2 other sides, 10 cm. That is a fact that is somewhat useless, but may help you solve some Math Olympiad problems. Second of all, in a right angle triangle, the square of the longest side is the sum of the squares of the 2 shorter sides, which is known as the Pythagorean theorem, which we will explain in depth in a later episode. For example, if 2 short sides of a right triangle are 3 cm and 4 cm, then the square of the longer side is 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is 9 plus 16, which equals 25. To find the longer side itself, you take the square root of that result, which is 5 cm. This concludes today's video about triangles. I was originally planning to put triangles and quadrilaterals to one video, but I figured that the video would be far too long. Therefore, I will discuss about quadrilaterals in the next episode. Again, be sure to subscribe to my channel with the notification bell on, and feel free to share my channel with others. Any support from you guys will be sincerely appreciated. See you in the next video.